Yo, what's good, guys? I'm Scott to the video, and still getting late. And today, I haven't made a video in a very long time. I've been taking a big break from YouTube. I didn't record anything on Junior Gold. So yeah, tonight I got League. I'm bowling on Wolf Pattern with my partner. I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. Alright, guys, we're at the bowling alley with your boy Jackson. Jackson, start the vlog. Hey. So yeah, guys, cut to the music. Alright guys, I got a 208. I'm finally trying to figure out this pattern. I'm really struggling. Last game was like a 125. What?
Better not get my scores in there.
I'm not.
Sir, no.
Alright guys, just got done with league. My last game was a 173. That's my series up there. Not a very good game. So, I'm going to do a couple games of practice and I'll record that. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked that video. I didn't get to practice because I kicked us out. Because now I'm not paying $7 a game. Is that stupid?
I want to see this video after.
Okay. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace.